constant.
So we'll shift to the chamber, yes.
Whatever flow is coming.
Yes.
So I want to take a recommendation then. Relocate this
This level
LT,
switch into
LSH,
this thing.
LSH 801 A and B.
Yeah.
Okay.
Overflow.
Overflow, yeah.
In case if both instrument not working, the overflow should be.
No, so then they have to, if level is reaching HH, then they have to close that valve and how
Balancing pump should stop.
balancing pump will stop.
What is LSH? What is LSH number?
That command would be.
So we did that.
control, yeah.
What is LSH
Station
number?
number 801.
A 801 A and B.
No, only A and B.
In
In
in ATDC 700.
80 DC.
About 11.
ATDC
Alarm should be there.
Yes, yes.
700.
And the often.
If level is high,
Then
then
provided.
there should be alarm
Yeah.
and equalization tank pump will stop.
Yeah, sure.
Now write this.
And provide alarm.
Can you check that if
And
there is
provide.
anything mentioned in the link?
If
Okay.
it is high here, so then pump is stop or not?
It should be stopped. Yes.
Should I like note?
No,
What here? This is one. So what's my stop balancing pump on the high level? Yes, it's mentioned here. So we have link. If you can see, go to the number one.
And
You have-
alarm. And should alarm it.
Yeah, I put.
Here. So go back to the ID.
Should
Come to this number one. Make sure.
Alarm.
Yeah.
this
It makes
you can
this
remove
one. Here.
because the-
Number one. You can see this number one.
Hmm.
No, give this.
Unless
This-
thing
this is-
unless you are not inputting the
Yes.
tank.
You see this one, number one?
From the often.
You see this one?
Mhm.
You see number one?
Transmitter.
You see this one?
Yeah.
So this is the high level. Number one, you go to number one,
Yes, okay.
stop balancing pump on high level detention.
But anyway, I have